Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you how to do a simple Rubik's Cube trick. Okay, so yeah, this is the trick, which is a single different color at the middle. So how to do it? That's really easy. So first, get a Rubik, and then the middle part right here, you turn it once, and then middle part here, you turn it to the left once, and then this side goes up, turn up, and then this side just turn it to the right, and then bam, that's it, that's done. How to solve it? This is blue, so what you're going to do is you get a blue side, you turn it down, and then turn it right, turn the middle part right, sorry, and then turn this white part up, and then just this red line to the left, and then yeah, just that's it. A simple Rubik's Cube trick, which it is really a simple Rubik's Cube trick. So then, yes, thank you for watching guys. Click the subscribe button below and the like button if you like, or probably no. But by the way, yes, my name is Kekus97 and thank you for watching.